Don't come with these empty conversations, these thoughts. And the last big mistake is trying to be a motivator. Hello, my friend! 3 common mistakes of presentations. In my opinion, these are very bad mistakes. The first one is trying to promote yourself in your speech. Man, if you're giving your speech, your task is to give something to people. It's to serve them with something useful to them. You don't need to promote yourself. If you were giving the speech, we already know that you have something to share. If you want to take more credits, it means you are insecure. The second mistake is giving an empty talk or talking about something useless. Some people say, I was coming here and I was thinking, what can I tell them? Sorry? You were coming here and thinking what you could tell me? No. Prepare your speech. Know what you were going to say. Know exactly the message and the words that you were going to say. Because if you don't do it, you are not valuing the time of your audience. The most valuable asset in our lives. Value people's time. Prepare your speech in advance. Don't come with these empty conversations, these thoughts. And the last big mistake is trying to be a motivator. Nobody becomes inspiring by looking at the other people wanting to ask for something or wanting them to believe in their dreams. A good speech is inspiring when a dream is shared, but this dream needs to deserve other people's motivation. The dreams that deserve this energy are dreams that were built with sweat, with tears, with blood. Motivation is the reaction of an audience to the authenticity, to the courage, to the hard and altruistic work, and to the genuine knowledge. Put these qualities in your speech. Maybe you motivate people. Dale Carnegie says, lead the other person into talking about her interests, his business, her hobbies, his golf score, or her children. You are there to serve them, my friend. In your opinion, what is the worst mistake? Comment here. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. How to be clear in my speech. You must think to yourself, what do I want to give them?